In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Reddit to n8n, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable Reddit connection in n8n that you can drop into any workflow to automate tasks like fetching posts, tracking comments, or posting updates. We'll start inside your n8n instance. Look to the left-hand pane and open the Personal section. From there, switch to the Credentials tab. This is where all your secure app connections live. Up in the top right corner, click Create Credential. This button lets you add a new integration that n8n can use across workflows, so you only set it up once and reuse it anywhere. In the search field, type Reddit, then select Reddit from the list and click Continue. Choosing the correct app template ensures n8n shows the exact fields Reddit expects and handles the connection for you behind the scenes. Now enter the credentials needed for the API connection. These are the values provided by your Reddit developer setup, such as the client ID and client secret, along with any other fields n8n requests. Keep this information safe and never share it publicly. A few quick tips as you fill things out. Give your credential a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Paste values carefully to avoid extra spaces. And make sure the Reddit account you use to generate the credentials has the right permissions for what you plan to automate. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. The connection is created and stored securely in n8n, ready to use. With the credential saved, you can now use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a new node, and search for Reddit. When prompted for credentials, select the Reddit credential you just saved. From here, you can choose the operation you want, like reading data or posting content, and configure the node's options to match your use case. The big benefit is that you don't have to re-enter keys every time. The connection is centralized and reusable across projects. If you ever update or rotate your Reddit credentials, return to the same Credentials tab to make changes in one place, and your workflows will keep working with the latest settings. This helps you stay secure and organized as your automations grow. And that's all. You've connected Reddit to n8n, saved the credential, and learned how to use it in workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.